Hi friends, welcome to Git series. So today one interesting and fun command is reset command. So I hope you will enjoy this session. So why? Because why I said it's like you will enjoy means suppose by mistake you will commit some files in your repository, right? Maybe from working directory to the staging area to the local repository, local to the remote repository. But if you want to reset like staging area to your working directory or your local repository you added, so if you want to come from local repository to your working directory, or if you want to delete complete your files, everything we can use by using the reset command. Reset command will come in three flavors: by using the soft, by using the hard, and mixed and revert command. Okay, so these three is related to the reset command. Okay, revert is already we covered in the previous video. If you want to delete a particular commit from the remote repository, you can use the revert command also. Okay, so let me quickly start. So if I use the git branch, I have a lot of branches I have. Okay, if I go for git security, I will go for security branch now. Okay, git security. Okay, so it is saying I'm not able to, please move or remove them before you switch branches. Why? Because I have one file dot git ignore. Okay, git add and git commit hyphen hem dot git ignore. Okay, now I can check out any branch. Okay, we'll take about the master only. Okay, git branch. Okay, if I type the if I do ls command, these many number of files I have, I can make it git log hyphen one line. If I use here, I have these number of commits I have. The recent commit is dot git ignore. Okay, so what I will do, I will create few files. Okay, so assume that I will create some files abc, you can say login. Okay, dot java. Okay, I will create one more admin dot java. Two files I created. Now if we use git status command, these files are available or untracked files. Am I right? So if you want to commit, what you will do, you will use git add star. If I use here, if you use again status command, so all files are committed to your staging area. If it is in green color, working directory to another means it is a staging area. If you want to restore these changes to your working files means just you need to use here, they are giving already the command. This is the command you need to use, nothing much. Okay, I will type git restore hyphen staged, which file you want to revert back, either one file, either all. I want to give all, I can use dot period operator. If you see the git status command, see all files is available inside your working directory. If you see the git log, my recent instead of this part, what I will do, git log hyphen one line. This is the better option. Okay, still our head is pointing to dot ignore. Now you know how to do restore from your staging area to working directory. Okay, next another one command, if you push your changes to your local repository. Okay, so if I see the git status, I have these two files, right? What I will do, I will add these two files to your local repository. Git add git commit hyphen m, I will say login and admin added. Okay, now if I use git log, okay, now your head is pointing to login and admin. Now your files is available inside your local repository. Now if you want to come from your local repository to revert back to your staging area, what you need to do? Okay, so if you want to see, you can use same reset. Okay, hyphen soft command. Okay, if you use the soft command, you need to type the head command under which commit you want to revert back. You can assume commit 1, commit 2, commit 3. In that way you can use this operator -1. If you use this command, what will happen, the magic is, if I enter, if you see git status, see, these two files are still available in unstaging area. You are reverted back, right? If you see the git log, see, now our head is pointing to .ignore. This is the way you can use the soft command. Okay, soft is nothing but what? Already committed to your directory, it is coming. Okay, now it is happening inside the staging area. Okay, now you want to come back to working directory. I don't want to be inside the staging area also. Okay, what you need to do, same command, instead of soft you can use mixed. If you use mixed, okay, sorry, I need to commit again these two files, right? So I will add git commit -m. What I needed, login and admin files added. Okay, now your log will point out to where head is pointing to login and admin files. Previously it come from repository to your staging area, right? Now I need repository to your working directory. So you no need to do anything, just you can use reset -mix head tilde hyphen either 1, either 3, either 4, anything, whatever you want you can give. As of now I will give as suppose 2. Okay, now once you done this command, it will, your head will point out to here, and these two files will be there in your working directory. Check. Okay, now if I use git status, see, all files available in your working directory, right? So if you use git log -1 line, see, your head is pointing to new changes. Okay, I hope you guys are clear about this part. Okay, now again I will commit these existing files. What I will do, git add star and git commit -m new files added login and admin and git ignore. Okay, now if you see git log, again your head will point out to this new commit. Okay, now what I need, I don't want these 3 files in my recent commit. Then simple command, no need to do anything, git reset -add head, same command. Okay, if you use one, it will delete permanently, will delete from your local repository, staging area and working directory. If you use the reset, see here, now head is pointing to this one, where this is your new commit id. Okay, if you see git 1 log, see, your head is pointing to this. All your files won't be there in your local also. Okay, why? Because the .git ignore will be a hidden file, right? So that's why it is not there. Remaining files are deleted. Okay, I hope you guys are clear about these things, right? And you pushed by mistake a commit to your remote repository. You want to revert back, I mean you want to delete that commit id completely. Okay, so what I will do, git status, when I say, okay, I will, you are in which branch? Master branch, right? Okay, in the master branch right now, if you go and refresh it here, I will push one new file to here. Okay, so maybe what I will do, you can use, okay, I will use one touch command, login.java I created. Now git add star and git commit -m your message login file added. Okay, and I will push this file to my master branch. So you can say your username java express channel. Okay, let me give my password. Okay, now you pushed your changes to your remote repository. Just go and check your login file is available here or not. It should say some seconds. See where your latest file will be there. See, 27 seconds ago login.java. Now I want to revert, I want to remove completely from your remote repository. How you can do that? It's very simple. Open your OneLog. Now it is pointing to your head. Head is pointing to here. What you need to do? Git revert your commit id. Nothing, you just copy. It is not able to come. E75BFEB. Okay, now it is asking to confirmation. I can use yes, Control X, and save modifier. Yes, I am giving Y and enter. Okay, now if you see git log. Okay, now your head revert login file added. Now you need to push. Okay, again I need to give, let me check, just a minute. Git status. Okay, now I need to push express channel, and here you need to provide your password. Now it is pushed. Now if you see the git log hyphen one log, sorry, one line, your head is point login file added, right? We are reverted back. If you go and refresh it here, your file won't be there. If you observe here, any file is there here, login.java? No. Why? Because we reverted back and we committed the new updated repository to your master. So this is very good reset command, so you can try in your project. Why? Because we done some mistakes. You can push some branch, you can try in the local also. Okay, I hope you guys are clear. We'll see few more commands in next tutorial. Thank you guys.